The Harris name comes from my paternal grandfather, Joseph Alexander Harris, landowner and what is that? Agricultural produce. I guess he produced agriculture. Exporter, mostly palmetto and allspice, who died in 1939. His grandfather died in 1939, 1 year after I was born, and is buried in the churchyard of the magnificent Anglican Anglican church, which Hamilton Brown built in Brownstown. Okay. So, and whereas a child I learned catechism, was baptized and conformed, and served as an acolyte. I don't know what that is. I guess that's an altar boy. That's what I'm gonna guess. So curious here. So his grandpapa was buried in this here church in Hamilton Brown. And I pulled up a picture of what that looked like because I did go to look for that. So we'll stick that picture here. This is what it looked like. So I'm kind of curious if it's still there today. If it's still, the cemetery is still there. And so therefore there should be records of his records of him being there in the burial. 1939, not that long ago. This place is still standing, which means he should still be there, right? Okay. And this is what he learned these things. So this was a very precious church to these people because he did his learnings there. He learned about being a Catholic. He learned about these things there. So there should be records, right? Man, I tell you, if I could, I'd fly out to Jamaica to find out. Okay. Both of my grandmothers had the strongest influence on my early upbringing, not to exclude, of course, the influence of my dear mother, Miss Beryl, and my loving father, Massa Oscar. Massa Oscar? I think that's what it seems. Massa Oscar. Miss Beryl and Massa Oscar. How do you talk about your mother? And again, friends, this right here is all that he says about his mother, Beryl. Not to exclude, of course, the influence of my dear mother, Miss Beryl, and my loving father, Massa Oscar, right? This is all that he says in this 7-page writing about him and their family